When solving for unit rate, we're almost always going to be dealing with either money or dealing with time. If we're dealing with money, when we solve, our money is going to go up top in our division and time will go on the bottom. We're always going to be looking to solve for per unit. That has to do with why we're talking about unit rate per 1 unit. So here for the first one, we're talking about 86.55, that's money, for 5 pies. So as I said, when we're dealing with money, it goes up top. So 86.55 divided by 5 pies, and that's going to tell me my price per pie. So that's why we're dividing with money up top, because it tells me per 1 pie when I divide. And I end up getting 17.31. And again, that's how much it's going to cost per 1 pie. Now, yes, you could have solved it like we did before with fraction equals fraction. We have 5 pies is equal to 1 pie and X dollars. But you're actually doing the same thing, because when we multiply by 1, we get the same number, and then we'd just be dividing by 5 like what we just did. In the next one, we're dealing with money again. So I'm going to do 9.48 up top divided by 12 cans. And again, that's going to tell me how much it is per 1 can. So 9.48 divided by 12 is 79 cents per can. Looking at the next one, it is going to be a multi-step problem. We're talking about 2 comparisons. So we have Target that has 7 pairs of socks for $31.85 and Walmart that has 13 pairs of socks for $58.89. So we use unit rate to compare prices to figure out better deals. So let's talk about Target first. We have $31.85 for 7 pairs of socks. So when I do 31.85 divided by 7, I get $4.55 per pair of socks. While for Walmart, I have $58.89, and that's for 13 pairs of socks. So again, I'm just going to use division and do 58.89 divided by 13 to get $4.53 per pair. And then that tells us which one's the better deal, and that was our question, to determine which one has the better deal for the socks, which in our case, it would be Walmart.